Hello, and welcome to the $5 Cashback. This is your boy KR with some more great content helping people to make a little money during these hard times. This is a great $5 program that pretty much anyone can get into and turn $5 into $70 over and over and over again. Let's take a quick look at this so you guys can get in and out and start making this money today. First, I want to welcome to the $5 Cashback. This is going to be the easiest money that you have ever made, and I mean that because it's not going to take anything to be bringing in those $70 payments over and over and of course over again. Here's how it works. Step one, you join for $5. Only $5, guys. Everybody can afford that. So that means many people will be jumping on with you for $5. And you only need to bring in 3 friends to make this system work and bring you $70 over and over. So now what happens is this. When you get in here for this $5, you bring your 3 friends. The only thing that you're going to do at that particular time is receive the money to upgrade. As you receive money from your 3 friends, you upgrade into the next level until you have accomplished all levels, and I will show you that in a second. You're going to earn with your same 3 friends over and over again. That means that you really don't have to go out and look for any more people. You can just work with your 3 friends and continue to help each other out and to earn. This is like a gifting program that we've created to help each other during these hard times. Let's move from the left to the right so I can give you an idea of how you're going to be getting this $70 over and over. So first of all, we have our levels, which is 1, 2, and 3. The $5 that you start with, your first upgrade is 10, then your second is 20, and that's it, okay? Your invites, we're looking at 3 great friends or family members that you would like to help make $70 over and over again. This is the income based off the 3 people giving you that $5. We can see that. And these are our upgrades. This is taking you from one level to the next. This is the profits that you will keep after you have upgraded to those levels. Now, moving from the left to the right, let's take a look at this. Now, let's say, for instance, you paid your $5 and you share this information with 3 great friends. Now, remember, we're not trying to recruit people because that's not what this is about. This is just something we're sharing with other people, giving them an opportunity to put some money into their pockets. So once you share this great opportunity with them, and each one of these 3 people come in for $5, that's going to give you $15. That's pretty good, okay? From the 15, you're going to upgrade for 10. Going into your level number 2, your $10 cash bag. Then you're going to keep $5. So now you have your $5 back that you came in with. Everything at that point will be profit. Now, when your 3 people duplicate the efforts, because remember, you want to bring in 3 good people that don't mind getting 3 people. That's it. You will only need 3 people, guys, and you can just work with the same 3 over and over. When your 3 people bring in 3 people, they will then upgrade to you for $10. You notice it says the same 3, and that's going to be $30 in your pocket. From the 30, upgrade to the 20 and keep $10 of that. Looking pretty good. Now, we're not trying to get rich with this, guys. We're just really trying to put a little extra money in your pocket for gas, to pay bills, get some groceries, things like that. Now, when your team members following you, because duplication is the key, when they follow you into the $20 level, same 3, that's going to give you $60. From the $60, you're going to re-enter, come back in, giving your sponsor that you joined with $5 again, so that we keep him going, you keep going, making more money. That's going to leave you $55. So when you look at the total amount of what you have left over and spill over every time you upgrade it, you have a total of $70. 55, 65, 70. That's $70 over and over. You go back in with the same $5 with your sponsor, and bam, you're going to do it all over again. That's the good thing about this. We're in a private community. We're not trying to be all out there all over the place. We're a private community operating within a private chat, helping each other to grow. Everybody's going to have their website that's going to have their links on there for people to come in and send you your payment of $5, $10, or even the $20. So that's going to be pretty good, guys. So right now, I want to welcome everybody to the $5 cash bag. Get back to that person that sent you this information and let them know that you have seen the video and you are super excited about this and you have your $5 ready to go. We're going to be working with Cash App. We don't want to work with Bitcoin because the fees are going to be high. So we want to work with Cash App, Google Pay, things of that nature, guys. Something that's super inexpensive to, send back and forth. So Cash App for us works. So right now, I want to welcome you in advance to the $5 cash bag. See you on the inside, grabbing that $70. Take care.